New Guinea Islands is sleep so so what are you pulling me go?
The airline has remained at work, flying our skies and visiting international destinations gracefully over its long history, over 52 years of unbroken and continuous service, despite the impediments that come in between. Why don't Papua New Guineans here today join me in thanking Air New Guinea past and present. Thank you too much.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we transition our fleet to Airbus A220, we must say goodbye to the Fokker fleet that has faithfully served our country for decades. These aircraft have been the workhorses of aviation in Papua New Guinea.
Let us remind them, 1973, they said we cannot do it when Air New Guinea was battered. 1975, they said we cannot do it when a country was battered. 50 years on, one people, one nation, one country, Macedonian diversity, blended together, held together by key institutions. One of them is Air New Guinea. To every Air New Guinea, pilots, engineers, technicians, workmen, air hostess, air stewards, as we called them before, now you call them flight attendants. I take my head off to every one of you. God bless each and every one of you. Don't forget this. Thanks, Maraboy will go, but Air New Guinea will live on. Thank you, Thomas.